Now, just when you thought that things would not get any more awesome today, don't you just love it when companies actually make things official? A lot, because we just got an official update for Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked, and now we also have some in real life leaks of the Galaxy Note 20, and honestly, we can't wait for it. More leaks of the OnePlus Nord keep coming, and now we also have an official launch date, and some new renders of the iPhone 12's box just emerged, and let's just say it's thin. I'm Jaime Rivera, and dear Google, take a couple of notes from Samsung over how a phone is rolled out. Pun intended. This is Pocketnow Daily. Just when I thought that I could consider the idea of not doing a daily every weekday, then we get so many announcements that they pull us back in. Let's begin with deals, and you already saw the title, so let's just go through the Galaxy Note deals. Because yeah, right now the Note 10 Plus is currently $150 off on Amazon, leaving the 256GB of storage variant for $950 shipped. The S20 5G, which we didn't exactly mention yesterday, is also $150 off, leaving it at $850 shipped. Moving on to the latest Mac Mini, it is getting the same $150 discount, meaning you can get the Intel Core i5, 8GB of RAM, and 512GB of storage variant for $950. We also have more deals on AirPods, 4K TVs, and others in the links in the description. Now, how about if we begin talking about all the official event invites that we got today, starting off with Microsoft particularly. The company just sent out press invitations for an Xbox Showcase event that will happen on July 23rd at 9 a.m. Pacific time. You'll be able to watch it on YouTube, Twitch, and the official Xbox social media handles. We're expecting to see some exclusive titles like Halo Infinite, Gears of War, Hellblade 2, and more. Now, at the Sony showcase, we did get to see the design of the PS5, so we are expecting for this event for Microsoft to show something, probably that leaked possible Xbox Series S that we hear is going to be more affordable. Stay tuned. Now, the beautiful thing about deals is they usually hint to a possible product getting a refresh. Not necessarily the case with AirPods if you think about Amazon, but still, we do know that there are some in the pipeline and we've got more details. According to the latest note from Ming-Chi Kuo, we're due to get a design refresh. According to Kuo, the new AirPods will adopt a similar system-in-package design that the AirPods Pro bring to integrate the audio features into a smaller casing, as we know that the Pros bring smaller stems. These AirPods 3 are supposed to arrive in the first half of 2021, and the current AirPods will be discontinued, thankfully, because I hate them. This will mean that AirPods Pro should see component shipping grow from 50 to 100% due to demand. So yeah, stay tuned. I know that a lot of you actually like the original AirPods. I'm really happy for you. I won't join you in that. And speaking of Apple, let's talk about the iPhone 12 box, because yeah, that's a topic now. We have some new renders that allegedly come from a reliable source of this new box, and from the image we can tell that it'll bring only 2 slots, one for the USB-C to Lightning cable, and the other for the paperwork, including the stickers that come with it. We assume the second one is for paperwork because it's way too small to fit earpods, AirPods, or a charging brick. It'll also have a slim cutout at the top where we're expecting the iPhone 12 to sit, because we're at least hoping that's coming in the box. And again, this is nothing official just yet. We'll see. Now, since we're talking leaks, let's actually move the spotlight over to the OnePlus Nord, because, well, today let's just say we have more of these leaks in addition to some official news. Recently, Carl Pei confirmed that we would be getting OIS on the Nord's camera, and now we have more details on the actual array. According to a new Android Central report, the Nord will bring a quad camera array that consists of a 48 megapixel main camera, an 8 megapixel wide angle, a 5 megapixel macro, and a 2 megapixel portrait lens. The dual selfie camera will also bring a 32 megapixel shooter, according to the previous leaks. Now, on the official announcement, OnePlus just revealed that the event will be happening on July 21st, kicking off at 7:30 p.m. Indian time. To watch the event, you'll have to download a certain application, which will be detailing on the links in the description, or you can also tune in via the OnePlus Nord Instagram account. You can actually also pre-order it in India starting on July 15th. If you buy it before August 31st, it actually comes with a gift box. So yeah, this was official announcement number 2. Let's kick it off for the 3rd. Because yes, finally, for the hottest news today, it's clearly event invite day. We started off with Microsoft, then OnePlus, then Samsung. Google, take some note on this, because yes, today we get to see when the Samsung Galaxy Unpacked is happening. It's going to be on August 5th at 10 a.m. Eastern Time, and we're obviously expecting the Galaxy Note 20, in addition to a ton of products. Actually, for that day, we'll have live coverage, in addition to a full dedicated Pocketnow Daily, because we're expecting a lot to happen at this event. Thing is, the image only reveals the special new copper color we saw leaked by none other than you-know-who. And speaking of the leaks, the Note 20 just went through a 3C certification, and we have some new in real-life images of it from a tipster on Twitter. These images are from the black color variant, and we get to see the new triple camera array, which still includes a periscopic lens. We also get to see the S Pen, which doesn't look like if it changed much from the Note 10, and even if some users on Twitter claim that these were dummy units, according to another tipster, this is a fully working unit, and we can confirm as the tipster also shared images of the display. These show off the tiny bezels, the centered punch hole, and we're assuming that this is the Note 20 Ultra or Plus because it brings a curved display instead of the flat screen that we're expecting for the Note 20. So for today's question, let me actually ask you two. First one being, what do you think about, the Galaxy Unpacked teaser? What do you think that color splash means, if anything? And the second is definitely, what do you think about the leaks? Do you like what you see or not? Because I'll tell you this much, we were debating with Diego, and I find this camera array design to be fantastic. It even makes this black variant look great. But that's just me. We would love to know what you think in the comments down below. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on PocketNow.com and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Also follow us on social medias. Our extended coverage happens on Instagram, and follow me on my personal handles to see me, I don't know, what can I say about Google particularly and the fact that we're still waiting for those pixels. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.